Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook. You cannot use this feature right now problem in Facebook application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Facebook application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Facebook application. Update your Facebook application latest version. Step 3. Again open your Facebook application. You can follow all of the steps to fix Facebook. You cannot use this feature right now problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.